Indonesia is on its way to be the largest producer of crude palm oil in the world. Currently, it has 7.5 million hectares of oil palm plantations spanning from Sumatra in the west to Papua in the east. For the next 10 years, it is projected that the oil palm plantations would cover an area of no less than 15 million hectares in scale. Those 7.5 hectares of oil palm plantations require 7 to 8 million tons of fertilizer per year, while actual supply of NPK fertilizer is only 1.5 to 2 million tons of NPK fertilizer per year currently. The balance are straight fertilizers. This implies a huge gap opportunity amounting to more than 6 million tons per year for NPK fertilizer to meet the demand of fertilizers for oil palm plantations.
Our vision is to be the major player in fertilizer industry and become the #1 of slow-release fertilizer producer in Indonesia. We develop innovative, environmentally friendly, and high-quality products to support the agriculture development in Indonesia. Together with our distributor, we maintain good after-sales service for all of our esteemed customers and empower our employees for the prosperity of the stakeholders.
PT Hanampi Sejahtera Kahuripan, which was established in 2009, is a joint venture of PT Indo Pupuk Sejahtera, a subsidiary of PT Sumber Agrindo Sejahtera, with Hang Feng Slow Release Fertilizer Investment Company Limited, a subsidiary of Hang Feng Evergreen Incorporated in Canada and listed in Toronto, and PT Cornea Sentosa Kahuripan, a subsidiary of Maken Group. PT HSK has the production facilities which produce fertilizers including the compound fertilizer Puamax, the sulfur-coated urea or SCU, Haracoat SCU, and coated NPK blend fertilizer Haracoat MX. Located in Gresik, East Java, PT HSK is furnished with modern facilities of laboratory, production and packaging units. These production facilities have a capacity of 400,000 tons a year, or equal to fulfill 20% of NPK fertilizers market in Indonesia. In the next 5 years, the production capacity will be increased to 1 million tons a year. Currently, PTHSK is the #1 sulfur-coated fertilizer producer in Southeast Asia. The slow-release fertilizers release nutrients gradually over a certain period of time. This feature gives advantages of improving efficiency as it requires a lesser amount of fertilizer per application and less frequent applications. By feeding the plant slowly, continually and consistently over time, the slow-release fertilizers will definitely be more effective in improving quality as well as quantity of crop yields. These superior performances of slow-release fertilizers in fact outclass the conventional fertilizers that typically result in gross loss of nutrients due to leaching and evaporation. Haracoat, for instance, its slow-release effect has proven in reducing fertilizer loss, increasing fertilizer use efficiency and reducing pollution. Its sulfur feature enhances nitrogen uptake to improve plant growth and yields. Haracoat will also increasing crop safety, since Haracoat does not causing roots burning, scorching effects as well as caking problems. The lowering use rate of Haracoat therefore will benefit you with reducing the cost significantly. The slow-release fertilizers are mainly applied to meet the increasing demand of fertilizer of oil palm plantations. Besides of oil palm, Haracoat is also suitable for paddy field, corn, pineapple, vegetables and other crops. The research in cooperation with hybrid seed producer Longping High Tech has proven that SCU can produce 12 metric tons per hectare of paddy rice. Therefore, sulfur-coated urea is perfect to substitute the use of urea and ammonium sulfate fertilizers in paddy fields. Apart from reducing leaching and evaporation effect of the fertilizer, sulfur is an essential nutrient to the plants. Sulfur is also improving the uptake of nitrogen by plants. Sulfur and nitrogen complement each other to increase fertilizer efficiency and to improve crop yield. Customer satisfaction is our primary concern. Our persistent endeavor to deliver value has rewarded us with greater trust and loyalty from our satisfied customers.
Harakut SCU37 adalah solusi terbaik pengganti pupuk urea karena di-coating dengan sulfur. Harakut SCU37 menggunakan teknologi pelepasan nutrisi terkendali hingga sangat efektif dan efisien. Harakut SCU37 mantap!
Kita puas memakai pupuk buah emak dan harakut karena semua unsur yang terkandung lengkap dan seimbang, sehingga memberikan hasil yang maksimum terhadap pertumbuhan dan produksi kelapa sawit. Pupuk buah emak dan harakut is the best.
PT Hanampi Sejahtera Kahuripan, building a better future through innovative fertilizers.